Alright, so we're going to put this ring gear on this carrier, and the ring gear right now is tight. It gets so far on there and then it just sticks. So we're going to heat the ring gear up to about 200 degrees or close to, maybe a little bit over. And we're going to put it on this carrier. I didn't come up with this idea. I watched a guy on Driveline Master do this virtually the same way, and I hope it works for me. My biggest fear is to get this ring gear stuck on halfway, and then I got a real problem. Okay, how are we doing over here? I've already got it preheated up. About 252, 58 degrees. 260 there. It's still pretty hot. Ring gear itself, 260. You know, we're going to try it. I could be adjusting that thing for hours trying to make it 250. So I got myself set up here. I am going to do something else here. I get my rags from Napa. As long as I don't get that pinched inside. Get it out. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a little toasty. You know what? It's really not going on. Oh, there it is. Pull this glove off. I'm going to get some of these started. Yeah, that is toasty. I can feel it burning through my glove. That one started. That one started. Actually, Loc-Tite these later. That one started. That one started. Just in time, too. Because that was burning my glove, burning my hand and my welding gloves. Okay. You know, I'm going to go ahead and start the rest of these. I don't know if I should apply that Loc-Tite while this gear is so hot. Maybe it doesn't matter. Wow, so there it is. It's on. It actually worked. Okay. That's it. That was a really quick video. That worked amazing. I'm not going to video Loctite, putting Loctite on those. You put the red on there. All right, I guess that's it.